Welcome. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to delete your browsing history in Google Chrome on your PC, especially with the latest updates. If you're looking to clear out your history for privacy or simply to tidy up your browser, follow these easy steps. First, open your Chrome browser. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your tabs and bookmarks. This is the starting point for our task. Next, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of the browser window. This icon represents the menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, hover over the History option. A sub-menu will appear. Click on History again. This action will open a new tab displaying all of your browsing history, allowing you to see what you visited recently. Now, turn your attention to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll find an option labeled Clear Browsing Data. Click on this option, and a new window will pop up, presenting you with choices about what data you'd like to delete. In this window, make sure to check the box next to Browsing History. This ensures that only your browsing history will be cleared, while leaving other data intact. Next, you'll need to set the time range for which you want to delete the history. Click on the drop-down menu and select All Time. This selection guarantees that all of your browsing history will be removed. Finally, click on the Delete Data button. After a brief moment, all of your selected browsing history will be erased from Google Chrome. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, opening Chrome, accessing the menu, navigating to History, selecting Clear Browsing Data, checking browsing history, changing the time range to All Time, and clicking Delete Data, you can easily manage your online footprint. Remember that regularly clearing your browsing history can enhance your privacy and improve browser performance. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from a cleaner browsing experience.